Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing off 10 top mods on my Ram that are daily drive. These are more daily driver type mods. Mine's a 2019 Ram Classic. Starting off, my first mod that I really like and use all the time, every day, will be my bed cover, tonneau cover. The specific one I have is the Rough Country Trifold tonneau cover. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty. I mean, just a tonneau cover. It has two latches on either side. You just compress down. Right, you can open it with one hand. It's pretty easy. It has these buckles right here to secure the tonneau cover in case, for whatever reason, you need something here, some space that you can't close it, as well as you have the ability to still use your entire bed space. It does have these little strut things there on both sides as well to hold it in this position, so you still have your full bed available for whatever. Yeah, I really like it. Besides, you have to open up the tailgate to open that. That is what it is. I kind of got used to it, but sometimes it does get annoying. My second mod over here in the bed area would be my bed liner. Keeps everything nice and protected. I do have a lot of mechanic stuff that I throw in here, my pack outs, my jack stands, all that stuff, so that kind of helps protect it a little bit. This mod I did not install myself, but it does come in clutch. Would be the bed lights, especially at night when I'm organizing back here or whatnot. That's a pretty nice feature that this truck came with. One thing also about this specific Rough Country tonneau cover, these things tend to come loose. I don't know, maybe I need to put some Loctite on there or whatnot, but eventually you'll just see these. You'll open up your bed cover and this will be on the floor. I just go around tying them all up, and usually they're fine for a couple more months until one of them falls off again. And that's everything back here as far as for daily driver mods. Is bed cover, bed liner, makes the bed more usable in my opinion, and keeps everything secure from prying eyes and all that. I'm not sure about the gas mileage, but some people say it works pretty good. My third mod for daily driver is my Apple CarPlay. This is just a generic Amazon CarPlay specifically made for the truck. It came with this entire assembly. You had to switch out the AC control knobs and the air vents. But yeah, I mean, just Apple CarPlay. I'm sure you've seen CarPlay before, but in this truck it didn't come with it, so I had to upgrade it myself or install it myself. Tied in with that as well is my speaker upgrade. I upgraded both the tweeters. I'll put a link or a picture of the one specifically that I use. They're Pioneers. I've always really used Pioneers on all my vehicles, and yeah, they work pretty good, better than stock, that's for sure, on all four doors. If you guys want a video on the install, honestly, these door panels are pretty easy to take off, as well as just plug and play. I got some harnesses so I didn't have to cut up the stock wires, and I also put some sound deadening behind this. I can show you guys how to do that if you guys want. And same thing, tied in with the sound system is my amp and sub install. I'm running a Hyphonic Zeus 1800 watts. It's overpowered for this sub, but I have it turned down. This is a specific one, and this is just a 12-inch Pioneer. I'm not sure what the specific model of this one. The box as well I got off Amazon. It is called a B-Box. I can also add a link for this if you guys are interested. And another thing install that I added is this inverter from Harbor Freight. I only really use it just to keep my Milwaukee batteries charged and to charge this little vacuum that I have. But it has a low voltage shut off, so it won't kill your battery or anything like that. Turn that off for now. And while I'm back here, another good mod, at least for daily driving, is these headrest hooks. Use these a lot, mostly used for groceries, hook up my water bottle up here or whatnot, but I actually end up using these a lot, quite often actually. Hey guys, I'm back at the front. I had to look at my phone real quick to see what the next mod was. But my next mod that I highly recommend, not just for the Ram 1500, but for any car that you daily drive or any in general, would be my Vifo dash cam. I have the one that has 2 cameras, so it monitors the front, and right there, that little box is the rear. It has pretty good reviews, and the image quality has been nice. Yeah, I mean, just a dash camera. I installed it, ran the wires. If you guys are interested in how to do one of those on these trucks, but for any car in general, I recommend having that just to protect yourself from crashes or whatnot. This is the rear part. Just slides off, and there it is. That's the camera. So if someone rear ends you, you have video of that. Same thing in the front. You're recording whatever's in front of you at all times. This camera actually has a lot of good features. I have a low voltage shutoff as well on it. So once it reaches like 11.8 volts, it'll just stop recording. But usually it'll record very well. It also has like movement detection. So if any kind of movement happens in front of it, it will just start recording like 15 seconds prior to that as well. And another good daily mod will be also some rough country mat liners. Makes keeping the truck protected, I guess, the carpet protected, and it makes it easier to clean. Another honorable mention I would say is the seat heaters. I only have them on the front and passenger side seat. Right now I don't have let me show you where the button is, but these are aftermarket seat heaters. They came installed in the truck. They weren't wired up, so I wired them up. That's why I have these running off the distribution block back here, right? So this has power directly from the battery. This is ground just to chassis, and I have 3 different things running off it: just the amp, the inverter, and the seat heaters. So I mean, that's just good for the winter. Right now it's summer, so it goes unused, but that's a nice little upgrade if you don't have it already, that I recommend looking into. That's more like creature comfort. It won't make or break it. For sure, the upgraded sound system is probably my favorite mod, just because I listen to music and I like to just sound good and all that. I drive a lot, and yeah, no complaints there with the Pioneers and all that. And this old sub, I had it in my old car, so all I had to do was just buy this box and wire it up, buy a new wiring kit. But that was pretty easy. If you guys are interested in how I went about doing that, let me know in the comments. Okay, now starting on a little mod that made a big difference for me is these pedal lights. Most trucks, at least as far as I'm aware, if they don't have them, they come with just a plug, just taped up there. You get some clip, you get a clip, and you put these pedal lights on, and you got a nice illuminated entry somewhat. As well as I did the 2 dome lights and then the rear one. I just like it for aesthetics. I didn't like that kind of older looking warmer color. I preferred the cooler LED, and it does light up quite a bit more. Okay guys, another thing that I really like having in my truck when I daily drive it is a vacuum. I came back from a camping trip, so usually it doesn't get this dirty in the back. But just to show you how good it is to have one of these, you know, usually when I'm filling up gas, I'll throw out my garbage and give it a quick little vacuum, keeping it clean usually. It has a regular mode and a power mode. This is how long it lasts usually. I'm gonna go with the power mode. There you go. It does come with multiple attachments. I'm just using this one. This is my go-to. In my opinion, it's the most versatile. Gets in all the traction, all that. Yeah. I mean, it's still dirty. I'll have to wipe it down and all that, but for just a quick vacuum here and there, just to keep your truck clean or your car clean, I think this is a pretty good buy. Don't have to go stop at the car wash as often to vacuum on my truck, but that's another good mod I recommend. And unless I can think of anything else, this is it for this video. My time driving this truck a little bit more enjoyable, and this is not just for Ram 1500s, just for daily driving in general. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.